Recovering from a C-section? Your diet plays a crucial role in healing, boosting energy, and supporting your overall well-being. In today's video, we'll explore the best foods to eat after a C-section to speed up recovery and keep you feeling your best. Recovering from a C-section delivery is a unique journey that requires special care, especially when it comes to nutrition. After surgery, your body needs the right foods to heal properly, regain strength, and support breastfeeding if you choose to nurse. Eating a balanced diet can make a big difference in your recovery, giving you the energy you need while also helping your body repair itself. Hydration is key after delivery, and drinking plenty of fluids will help keep your energy levels up and prevent constipation, which is a common issue after surgery. Water should be your go-to, but you can also include fresh fruit juices, coconut water, and warm soups to keep yourself hydrated. Herbal teas that support digestion can also be a great addition to your routine. A diet rich in protein will help in rebuilding tissues and promoting healing. Foods such as eggs, lean meats, fish, dairy products, lentils, and nuts provide essential amino acids that support muscle repair. If you're vegetarian, plant-based proteins like tofu, quinoa, and chickpeas can be great alternatives. Protein is especially important for those who have undergone surgery since it plays a significant role in tissue regeneration. Fiber is another important nutrient to focus on after a C-section. Since pain medications and limited mobility can slow down digestion, many new moms experience constipation. Eating fiber-rich foods like whole grains, oats, fresh fruits, and leafy vegetables can help keep your digestive system moving smoothly. Adding seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds to your meals can also be beneficial in promoting good digestion. Iron is an essential mineral after childbirth, especially if you've experienced significant blood loss during delivery. Foods like spinach, beetroot, dried fruits, red meat, and fortified cereals can help replenish iron levels in the body. Pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries enhances absorption, making it more effective in preventing anemia. Calcium and vitamin D are equally important for postpartum recovery. Your body has gone through significant changes during pregnancy, and now it needs to rebuild bone strength and maintain muscle function. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are great sources of calcium. If you are lactose intolerant, alternatives like fortified plant-based milk, almonds, sesame seeds, and leafy greens can provide the necessary calcium. Vitamin D, which helps calcium absorption, can be obtained through sun exposure or from foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified foods. Healthy fats play a crucial role in postpartum recovery and overall well-being. They support hormone balance, brain function, and provide long-lasting energy. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon are excellent sources of good fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in walnuts, flax seeds, and fish, can also aid in reducing inflammation and promoting better healing after surgery. Carbohydrates are often misunderstood, but they are essential for new moms who need energy to take care of their baby. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly and keep you feeling full for longer. Sweet potatoes, bananas, and legumes also provide a good balance of energy and nutrients without causing blood sugar spikes. Avoiding certain foods is just as important as including the right ones. Processed and junk foods should be minimized as they can lead to inflammation and slow down healing. Foods that are high in sugar or unhealthy fats can cause energy crashes and may even impact digestion. Spicy foods should also be consumed in moderation, as they might irritate the stomach or cause discomfort while healing. For breastfeeding mothers, some foods might cause gas or colic in the baby. Paying attention to how your baby reacts to certain foods, such as dairy, caffeine, or cruciferous vegetables, can help you make better dietary choices. Every baby is different, so observing patterns and adjusting your diet accordingly can be beneficial. Postpartum recovery is not just about eating the right foods, it is also about maintaining a balanced routine. Eating small, frequent meals can help keep your metabolism steady and provide a constant supply of energy. Including a variety of nutrients in your diet ensures that your body gets everything it needs to heal properly. The postpartum period is a time for nourishment and self-care. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and staying hydrated, you can support your recovery after a C-section and regain strength more effectively. Listening to your body and making gradual, healthy food choices will help you feel better and provide the best care for both yourself and your baby. Eating the right foods after a C-section can make a huge difference in your healing journey. Be sure to listen to your body and nourish it with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on postpartum recovery. See you in the next one.